Well, the Commonwealth Bank has posted a flat profit of $2.5 billion in the first quarter, thanks to a better-than-expected result from its home lending book. Joining me now is business reporter Edward Boyd. Edward, good morning. CBA says its home loan customers saved their tax cuts during the three-month period.
Yeah, this is something that we sort of expected to hear from all the major banks. Remember, the other three big four banks reported their full-year profits in the past week or so. But Commonwealth Bank is on a different financial calendar. So for them, this was Q1 that they've posted this morning. And it was, yes, a flat profit of $2.5 billion. They did lift their operating income. Their home lending book increased in size by 4.5% or by $8.8 billion. And the key there is the bottom line. The home loan arrears was flat at 0.65%. Now, that's because Commonwealth Bank go into detail in their release today, saying lots of customers, everyone obviously received a tax cut during this first quarter of the new financial year. From the 1st of July, everyone received a tax cut, and a lot of people actually put that money into their home loan offset accounts and prevented home loan arrears at Commonwealth Bank from rising. Whereas you look at some of the other big four banks, and they all, quite a few of them, reported a sharp increase in home loan arrears. The one that really sticks out is NAB, that reported the sharpest increase in home loan arrears since 2020. And so there's basically different things happening at the big four banks here, but it looks like a pretty solid result from CBA. We'll get the share price reaction probably in the next half hour or so, but it's worth noting Commonwealth Bank shares were just over at $150 yesterday, which was an all-time record high.
Wow, impressive. Ed, also shifting topics, and this morning the quarterly wage growth numbers will be released. Now, economists are expecting wage growth to moderate.
Yeah, they're expecting the annual rate of wage growth to moderate. In the previous quarter, it was 4.1%. The expectation today for the September quarter is 3.6%, so a slight moderation in wages. We'll get those numbers at 11:30 from the Bureau of Statistics. Here's the ASX 200, which just commenced trading. You can see the market's been on a pretty big rally, basically a Trump rally for the past week and a half. And in America, it ran out of steam last night. Investors started selling stocks in a big way, banking their profits because the market has really been at a record high in the US. We've started to see that pull back now on the Australian share market as well, down about 1.1% in early trade, and we'll have to see how it goes for the rest of the week. We saw Bitcoin hit a record high a couple of days ago. That's pared back a little bit as well. It seems like investors are starting to reprice things following Trump's election victory about 7 days ago.
Okay, Ed, thank you.